Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Tandoori Tikka potatoes. For this here I have taken baby potatoes. I have boiled them, peeled, and then I have left the potatoes whole. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of tandoori masala, half teaspoon of tikka masala, chaat masala half teaspoon, 1 to 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and 1 cup of tamarind. Now here in this pan I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. It is heated. Now in the oil I will add curry leaves. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cumin seeds, chili powder, turmeric and coriander, tamarind, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and potatoes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will cook them till this potatoes are completely covered with the tamarind and tamarind is thickened. Now this tamarind is reduced to half, and now I will add in tikka masala and tandoori masala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this till this is completely dried. Now this is completely coated, and see the moisture is evaporated and this is done. Lastly I am adding chaat masala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now this is complete. Very simple, easy and different. Tandoori tikka potatoes are ready to be served. You can serve them as it is, as a starter, or if you want you can serve this with side dish with dal chawal or with roti. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.